Businesses in Newton County put out sandbags in hopes of keeping water out of their stores. We first showed you the flooded parking lot outside of this Ross store in Covington on Channel 2 Action News at 4 o'clock. Channel 2's Taisha Fernandez continues our live severe weather Team 2 coverage. And Taisha, the water has gone down now, but a few people had to call to get some help.
Yes, Craig, take a look at the ground right now. You can actually walk through this parking lot. You couldn't do that earlier. I'm told that there are water pumps on the side of
water was way up here when I first pulled up.
Casey Jones is a tow truck driver who got several calls from people saying their vehicles, like this white van, were stuck in this water.
I stretched the cable out through there and just pulled them out.
After heavy rain, this shopping plaza parking lot on Highway 278 in Covington turned into a river. There's an actual river behind the plaza, and residents told me when it floods, the parking lot does the same.
It's not going to go down. It's going to get worse than this tomorrow.
At one point, the water was right up to the door. Contractors put these sandbags down in front of Ross to keep the water out, but shopper Audrey Dobbins told us it may be too late.
Well, Ross is going to be out if it's gone in the way it looks like.
Covington police told me several people kept driving their trucks through this water for fun. The officer said it's making it harder for workers to keep the water out of these businesses. We saw police give Alex Smith a $1,600 ticket for reckless driving. Smith told us he wasn't joyriding through the water. He said he only came here to pay a bill at this furniture store.
It is very crazy, especially because I lose my job, my insurance goes up because of one ticket, and everybody else was getting away with it.
Store owners will have to assess the damage tomorrow. Shoppers who expected to be able to go into these stores today told me they hope the rain is done. We're live in Newton County. I'm Taisha Fernandez, Channel 2 Action News Night Beat.